Hi everyone, good morning. How are
Hi.
you all? How are you doing? Are you all fine?
Fine.
Very
Yes.
good, very good. Yes. Are you all enjoying the sessions of the summer camp?
Yeah.
Are you all liking it? Very good, very good. So, my dear kids, today is our Shlok recitation session. Today is our Shlok recitation session. Can anyone say me what is the meaning of Shloka? Does anyone know?
Bhag.
Yes, Tanvi, do you know? No? Okay. Shlok are basically the chantings of God. Shloks are basically the chanting of God. Just a second, who is on unmute? Yes. Divya, kindly switch on your camera. Neha, kindly switch on your camera. Shanvi, kindly switch on your camera, beta. Yes. So you might be doing prayers. You might be all of you might be doing prayers, right? Right?
We're gonna pray today.
What dear?
We're gonna pray God today actually. I'm going to
I am
temple.
not able to hear you.
We are going to temple.
You are going to temple today. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, do you all know some prayers in Hindi or in Sanskrit? Do you all know some prayers? Yes, Sushila, you know? Okay.
I don't know the names.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
No, no,
Okay.
no.
So, we are going to start. We are going to start with Omkar. We are going to start with Omkar. So, what is Omkar? You might have all have heard the name of Shankar Bhagwan, Shiv Bhagwan, right? We pray to Shankar Bhagwan addressing Om. Okay, how do we pray? Okay, first of all, either you can sit on the ground, okay, sit on the floor, with your legs folded, either on your sofa or your couch or your chair only sit with your legs folded. Your hands should be like this. Your hands should be like this. Yes. Just a second. Yes. Your hand should be like this and it should be on your knees. It should be on your knees like this. Okay. This portion should be straight. Your hands should be on your knees. Okay. Like this. Yes. Close your eyes and I will be saying, you can also repeat along with me. Okay, so in Omkar, we have to sing O very less and more will be more. More voice will be more. Okay, so it is like this. Hands, close your eyes, sit straight. We will do 5 times. Okay, concentrate in your body. Close your eyes, concentrate on your body, concentrate on your mind, relax your body, take a deep breath. Now slowly rub your hands palm to palm and press on your eyes. Slowly, gently open your eyes. Yes. Have all of you done along with me? Are you all feeling fresh? See,
And also,
Om. Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Anyone was having any doubt? Okay. So, Om this word is having so much power, it can remove all the bad things from your mind. It is having so much power. Okay. So, as we all are Indians, we all tend to pray every day, in the day and in the evening, right? Your all mamas might be praying in the daytime, in the morning, and in the evening, right? Whether you are in, doesn't matter if you are not in India, you are somewhere outside country or wherever you are, but your mom is having the habit or your granny might be having a habit. So I want you all kids also, right from a very small age, you all should develop a habit of praying for minimum 10 to 15 minutes a day, two times, okay? Morning and evening. You all should pray minimum two times a day, morning and evening. And this Omkar, as we did, every day whenever you are done with your bathing, just simply sit, whether if you are having a temple, it's okay, you can sit in front of the temple and sit like this in this position and say Om 5 times. Or even if you are not having temple, just sit on the floor and recitate this Om 5 times. This is very necessary for your vocal, developing your vocal cord. Okay, this is having so much energy. It will remove all the bad thoughts from your mind and all the positive things will come inside you. Okay, now for you, what are the positive things? You have to study well, you have to obey your elders, you have to have your meals, lunch, dinner on time, right? You have to behave properly, right? You have to share things with your siblings, cousins, friends, right? And you can even give a helping hand to your mom, okay, or any elderly person at home. You can help your dad, right? So these all things, whenever you are praying, these all things develop in your body, okay? Make it a schedule that today this is my make a good deed book, okay? Make a small notebook, a good deed book, write it, okay? See, and try to follow it every day. And with these prayers, I am damn sure that these all things are getting easy, right? Yes. Now we will be starting. I am going to teach you very simple slopes because I know many of you will not be well versed with Hindi and Sanskrit slopes. Okay, as you are outside India. Okay, so do you all know Gayatri Mantra? Have you all ever heard about Gayatri Mantra?
I have.
Okay, very good. Shall we have you heard? Okay. Then Tanaya, have you heard?
No.
Okay. Divya, have you heard
I know.
me?
I have done.
Okay, very good. Sushila knows. Okay. So many of you are not knowing.
No.
Okay. So again, sit in this position with your folded legs. Sit in this position with your folded legs on the floor. Yes. Join your hands. Close your eyes and you can repeat what I say. If even if you want to be on unmute, you can be on unmute so that I will be also able to hear, not a problem for me. Okay? Huh? So first I will say, hear me carefully and then repeat behind me. Om Bhur Swaha.
Om Bhuvaswaha.
Om Tat Saviturvarenyam.
Om
Bhargo Devasya
Bhargo Devasya
Dhimahi
Dhimahi
Dhiyo Yo Na
Dhiyo
Prachodayat.
Yo
Yes, again we will say this. Om Bhur Swaha. Om Tat Savitur Varenyam. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Again we will repeat. You all can be on unmute so that I will be able to hear what you are saying. Okay? You all can be on unmute. Yes, shall we? Tanaya, Divya, Sanvi, you can be on unmute. Okay, again we will repeat this. Om Bhur Swaha.
Bhuvaswaha
Om Tat Savitur
Om Tatsa
Varenyam
Varenyam
Bhargo
Bhargo
Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Again, again we will repeat this. Yes, yes. Om Bhur Swaha. Om Tat Savitur Varenyam भर्गोः
भर्गोः
देवस्य धीमहि
देवस्य धीमहि
धियो यो न
यो यो न
प्रचोदयात्. Yes. So this we are praying in front of the sun. Gayatri mantra is the mantra for Lord Sun. We are praying for Lord Sun. Sun is having vibrant energy. Can anyone touch sun? No. What will happen if anyone will touch sun? He will burn. Yes. So sun is having so much vibrant energy. By chanting this mantra, we are praying to Lord Sun that Lord Sun, you are having so much vibrant energy, so much positivity in you that during morning you come every day, give a very beautiful sunshine to us, and then in the evening there is a dawn, there is a sunset. So, like that only, we are praying to Lord Sun that give us so much positive energy in us, give us so much vibrant energy like you that during our day we are full of energy, full of enthusiasm. Okay. And why do we always follow a schedule? We are getting up in the morning, we are sleeping at the night, right? Anyone is here who is getting up at night and sleeping in the morning? Is anyone here? No. So we are following this schedule. This schedule is already made by our saints and it is written in our Vedas. Okay. So we are following a particular schedule every day. We are getting up in the morning. There are many works which we are doing in the morning. There are studies, there is a playing time, there is eating time, there is watching TV time, then again going out time, everything we are doing in the daytime only, right? Right? Maximum by 12 o'clock. I can say for you kids, you all might not be getting in home by 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the evening. But yes, maximum by 10:30, 11 o'clock, you all might be getting at your home wherever you are going out. So this is the schedule we all are following in our everyday patterns. So by chanting this mantra, we are praying to Lord Sun that you are having so much vibrant energy. You are full of positivity in you. You shine like no one. So we make us like that we also should get all the positive vibrant energy. We also should shine like no one else. Okay? Every day say one thing to yourself. Every day say one thing to yourself. I am the best, I can do the best. What you should say? I am the best, I can do the best. So, when you say all these things to yourself, you automatically will be getting motivation. You automatically will be getting a very nice feeling. Okay? Right? So, this is for Lord Sun. Okay? Again, one time I will be saying, you all can listen. Okay? Okay? ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः ॐ तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गोः देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Very good, very good. Very good. Okay. Now moving to our next slope. This everyone is done with. Everyone can say independently this slope, right? Will you remember? Yes? Okay. So we are moving on to next slok. Okay, our next slok is to the to our teachers. To our teachers. Now, who is the first teacher of our life? Who is the first teacher of our life? Yes,
Samuel.
Sanji.
Our school teacher,
Okay. Anyone else?
pre
Yes.
preschool teachers,
Okay. Yes. Shall we?
your mom and dad,
Very good. Very good. Yes. They are the ones who got you to this beautiful life, who got you to this beautiful world. So our first teachers of life are our mom and dad. Okay, are our mom and dad. Never ever forget whether you grow so much big, whether you start earning, whether you are apart from them. You should never ever forget that they got you to this world. Okay? They got you to this world. We all make mistakes. We all are happy. All the angry things aside, happy things uh, to be, and any everything, you should always be thankful to God to giving you world's precious guru. Everyone's mom and dad are the world's precious gurus in one or the other form. Okay, you need mom simultaneously, you need dad also, right? Right. Yes. So both the parents are playing an important role in our life. So this mantra is for our first teachers of life. Okay. Yes, you can always say this mantra for your school teachers, for any teacher who is teaching you. Your granny, your grandpa is also a teacher. Okay. They are our great teachers. Why? Because they are our parents. So they are our great teachers, and our mom and dad are our first teachers, right? Yes, Sanvi, you have raised hand.
ma'am. I didn't understand the mantra.
I have not started the mantra yet.
Oh,
We
okay.
will start. We will start. Give me a minute. I am sorry, there was a problem with my phone. Okay, just a second. Yes, I am sorry, there was some connectivity issue. Okay, so this mantra is for our first guru of our life. Okay, or we can say the great gurus of our life, or any guru you meet. Huh? Any teacher you meet, your elementary school teacher, your primary school teacher, your preschool teacher, your higher grade teacher. Okay, any of the teacher. Okay, again, close your eyes. Sit with your folded legs. Join your hands. It is. We are starting now. Guru Brahma,
Guru Brahma,
Guru Sakshat,
Guru Saksha,
Guru Devo,
Guru Devo,
Maheshwara.
Maheshwara.
Again, we will start like this. Okay, you all can be unmute so that I'll be able to hear. Guru Brahma,
Guru
Guru
Brahma,
Brahma,
Guru Vishnu,
Guru
Guru
Brahma,
Vishnu,
Guru
Guru Devo,
Guru
Devo,
Devo,
Maheshwara,
Maheshwara,
Guru Sakshat,
Guru Sakshat, Guru Sakshat,
Parabrahma,
Parabrahma,
Tasmai Shri,
Tasmai Shri
Guruve Namaha.
Guruve Namaha.
Again we will do Guru Brahma,
Guru
Brahma,
Guru Brahma,
Guru Vishnu,
Guru Vishnu,
Guru Devo,
Guru Devo,
Maheshwara,
Maheshwara,
Guru Sakshat,
Guru Sakshat,
Parabrahma,
Parabrahma,
Tasmai Shri,
Tasmai Shri
Guruve Namaha.
Guruve Namaha.
Again we will start. Guru Brahma,
Guru Brahma, Guru Brahma,
Guru Vishnu,
Guru Vishnu,
Guru Devo,
Guru Devo,
Maheshwara,
Maheshwara,
Guru Sakshat,
Guru Sakshat,
Parabrahma,
Parabrahma,
Tasmai Shri,
Tasmai Shri
Guruve Namaha.
Guruve Namaha.
Again we will sing. Again we will chant. Guru Brahma,
Guru Brahma,
Guru Vishnu,
Guru Vishnu,
Guru Devo,
Guru Devo,
Maheshwara,
Maheshwara,
Guru Sakshat,
Guru Sakshat,
Parabrahma,
Parabrahma,
Tasmai Shri,
Tasmai Shri
Guruve Namaha.
Guruve Namaha.
Yes. Now, this chanting, you all know who has made this entire universe. Can anyone say? No? No one? Yes, Tanaya?
Brahma,
Yes. Yes. So, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, the three powers behind this universe, okay? The three powers of this universe, right? So, we pray to Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Lord Mahesh, that as you are standing very elegantly behind this universe and you have made this entire universe so well, so our mom and dad has made us. We pray to you that our well-being also should be very nice, very pure, very clean on this earth. Our soul should be very clean on this earth. No bad things should touch us. Understood? Understood? I am explaining in a very
Understand.
simpler form to you kids because you are kids, so you might not be understanding mythological and spiritual language as of now at this small age. So I am explaining to you all in a very simpler way. Okay? It will be easy to learn for you. Okay? Again, can we chant this? Eyes closed, join your hands, sit straight. Guru Brahma,
Guru Brahma,
Guru Vishnu,
Guru
Guru
Vishnu,
Vishnu,
Guru Devo,
Guru Devo,
Maheshwara,
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 Guru Sakshat,
Guru
Guru
Sakshat,
Sakshat,
Parabrahma,
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 Tasmai Shri,
Tasmai
Shri,
Shri,
Guruve Namaha.
Guruve
Guruve
Namaha.
Namaha.
Yes. Understood? All of you understood? Understood what
Yes.
all I am saying? Did you all are you all understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Yes. So I will repeat both the chantings. Okay. Again. Okay. I will repeat both the chantings again. First is what we learned. First is Gayatri Mantra. Huh? It is Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Om Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Right? First, we have learned Gayatri Mantra. Now, second is the mantra for our Guru. Okay? Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Understood? All of you understood? Should we proceed on to the third chant?
Ma'am,
Right? Yes, dear.
how many chants are in, how many chants are in total in this universe?
I know many. So it is as many as you want. As many as you want to learn.
There's so many chants.
Yes. Yes.
Uh,
Okay. Okay. You want to relax for some time. You want to go to the washroom, you can go. You want to drink water, you can. Anyone who wants to go to the
no,
washroom can go and come. Who wants to drink water, they can drink water.
no, I just asked the question. That's it.
Okay. Okay. How many of you saw? Okay, you might be watching Hindi daily soaps on TV or not?
No,
You do?
no.
No? Okay. Has any one of you seen Ramayana, Mahabharat, or Krishna that was played last year during pandemic? Has anyone of you seen? No one? Okay, no problem. Okay, so we'll begin with our third chant. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay, Divya, please switch on your camera. Neha and Divya. Okay. Now this chant is specially for our mom and dad. Especially for our mom and dad. We are praying to Lord Ganesha, Lord Ganpati. Have you heard the slogan Ganpati Bappa Moria? Have you all heard the slogan? I know Sharvi might have heard. Yes. Okay. So this is for Lord Ganesha, which we are praying, and simultaneously to our mom and dad also. Okay, for our mom and dad also. Okay. First, I will be saying, okay, you all can also repeat behind me. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Twameva Mata
Murali
Cha Pita Twameva
Chapitan
Twameva Bandhu
Tvameva Badhu
Cha Sakha Twameva
च सखा त्वमेव
Twameva Vidya
त्वमेव विद्या
Dravinam Twameva
ज्ञाने
Dravi Dhruva
ज्ञानापि
Dravinam Twameva
द्रविणं
Twameva Sarvam
त्वमेव सर्वं
Mama Deva Deva.
महादेवदेव.
Okay, very simple. So I will explain you the meaning. Very simple to understand. Twameva Mata. We are saying to Lord, okay, that you are our mom. Twameva Cha Pita Twameva. Okay, so you are my mom. You are my dad. Twameva Bandhu. Bandhu means our siblings. Okay, you are my sister. You are my brother. Cha Sakha Twameva. Okay, Sakha means our friend. So you are my mom, you are my dad, you are my sister, you are my brother, you are my friend. Twameva Sarvam. You are my everything. I pray to you for blessing me always, for keeping my well-being always very neat and very clean. Okay? Understood? All of you understood?
Understood.
Understood, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
So now, yes, yes.
Ma'am, can we again repeat the shlok?
We are going to repeat. Yes, Shishira, did you have any doubt?
Um, my mom said it's okay because I don't have any siblings.
You don't have any
Siblings.
siblings. Yes. So you might be having cousins, right?
Yes, I
Yes.
have two cousins.
Yes. Okay. So again, join your hands, fold your legs and sit. Eyes closed. Twameva Mata,
त्वमेव पिता
Cha Pita Twameva,
च पिता त्वमेव
Twameva Bandhu,
त्वमेव बन्धो
Cha Sakha Twameva,
च सखा त्वमेव
Twameva Vidya,
त्वमेव विद्या
Dravinam Twameva,
द्रविणं त्वमेव
Dravinam Twameva,
द्रविणं त्वमेव
Twameva Sarvam,
Tvameva
Tvameva
sarva
sarva
Mama deva deva.
mama deva deva.
Yes. Tvameva mata.
Tvameva mata
Tvameva
Cha
mata
pita tvameva.
cha pita tvameva.
Tvameva bandhu.
Tvameva bandhu
Tvameva bandhu
Cha sakha tvameva.
cha
Tvameva
sakha tvameva.
Tvameva vidya.
Tvameva
Tvameva vidya
Dravinam tvameva.
Shravinam Tvameva
tvameva tvameva.
Tvameva sarvam.
Tvameva
Tvameva sarvam
Mama deva deva.
Mahadeva Dev.
mama deva deva.
Okay. Whenever you sing this shloka, it is Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva, Tvameva bandhu cha sakha tvameva, Tvameva vidya pravinam tvameva, Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. Okay? This is like this. So that cha, I am pausing it right now. Hence, I am saying in a different form. But when you sing in a flow, that cha pita tvameva, tvameva mata cha pita tvameva. It is tvameva mata cha pita tvameva. Okay? So right now, I am pronouncing it as such so that you will be able to understand. Okay? Again, we will sing this. Tvameva mata
Tvameva mata
cha pita tvameva,
Chupita Tvameva
Tvameva bandhu
Tvameva bandhu
cha sakha tvameva,
Saka
cha
Tvameva
sakha tvameva.
Tvameva vidya,
Tvameva
Tvameva
Vidya
vidya
Dravinam tvameva,
Shravinam
tvameva
Tvameva
tvameva.
Tvameva sarvam,
Tvameva
Tvameva sarva
mama deva deva.
Mahadeva Dev.
mama deva deva.
Yes. Very good. Again we can chant this. Tvameva mata
Tvameva
Tvameva
mata
mata
cha pita tvameva,
Pita
cha
Tvameva
pita tvameva.
Tvameva bandhu
Tvameva
Tvameva
bandhu
bandhu
cha sakha tvameva,
Saka
cha
Tvameva
sakha tvameva.
Tvameva vidya,
Tvameva
Tvameva
Vidya
vidya
Dravinam tvameva,
Shravinam
tvameva
Tvameva
tvameva.
Tvameva sarvam,
Tvameva
Tvameva
Sarvam
sarvam
mama deva deva.
Mahadeva Dev.
mama deva deva.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So there is one Hindi bhajan. Okay. Can we all sing that bhajan together?
I don't know Hindi.
But you can sing along with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we start?
Yes.
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 Yes. So first two words, Achyutam Keshavam. Sing. Achyutam Keshavam,
Achyutam Keshavam
Krishna Damodaram,
Krishna Damodaram
Damodaram
Ram Narayanam,
Narayanam
Janaki Vallabham.
Janaki Vallabham.
Okay, again we will sing this. These four lines we will sing again. अच्युतं केशवम्
अच्युतं केशवम्
कृष्णदामोदरम्
कृष्णदामोदरम्
रामनारायणम्
रामनारायणम्
जानकी वल्लभम्
जानकी वल्लभम्
कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं।
भगवान आते नहीं।
भक्त
भक्त
मीरा के जैसे
मीरा
मीरा के जैसे
बुलाते नहीं।
बुलाते
बुलाते नहीं।
This first line I will sing in a flow, then you will understand. Okay? First line and the earlier four lines I will sing in a flow, then you will understand. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं। भक्त मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। भक्त मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। Understood?
Understood.
Yes.
Understood.
Again, the second line of this, I know it would be difficult for you because you all don't know Hindi, right? I am just modulating some cultural things in you so that it would be
I
somewhere
know
back in your
Hindi.
mind. You know Hindi? Very
Yes.
good, very good. Okay,
I know Hindi also.
okay. Very good, son. Okay. Then again the next line is कौन कहते हैं. Sing along with.
कौन कहते
Sing along with me. भगवान खाते नहीं. बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं. Okay. So the first and the second line. The first and the second line along with the earlier four lines. The first and the second para along with the earlier four lines. I will sing it in a flow. Okay. अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं। भक्त मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। भक्त मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं। बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। थर्ड लाइन, हाँ थर्ड पैरा। कौन कहते हैं. Yes, sing along with me. Be unmute and sing along with me. कौन कहते हैं. भगवान
भगवान
नाचते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे। सॉरी 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 सॉरी, गोपियों की तरह
गोपियों की तरह
तुम नचाते नहीं।
तू नचाने
Yes, yes. I will sing from the start till here. Yes. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ram Narayanam Janaki Vallabham। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, भक्त मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, भक्त मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, वेद शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, वेद शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहे हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं। Okay, one last para is there now. Okay, again. कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। Right, very good. Again, I will be singing the entire part, okay, from the start. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ram Narayanam Janaki Vallabham। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, भक्त मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बेर शबरी जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचे नहीं, गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम. This is the entire bhajan. Okay. So some words, some lines I have made you sing. Anytime you can see my recording and you can even sing the bhajan. Okay? Yes, Sanvi, you have raised hand.
I forgot.
No problem, no problem. Whenever you require, whenever you remember, you can say. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So, did you all like today's our session?
Yes.
Did you
Yes.
all enjoy chanting and saying the mantra aloud?
It was a little difficult for the Hindi song because I
Yes,
only
it
know
was a little
the
difficult, right? I can absolutely understand it is a little difficult for you all kids because you all are not in touch with Hindi, you all are not in touch with Sanskrit. Okay, no problem. As I told, this Saturday I will be posting my, okay, for the batch 2, the dance video also, and for the batch 2 and 3 both, I will be chanting the shlokas and the bhajan, and I will be posting it. Okay?
okay.
Yes. So don't worry. I will be posting it whenever you have time. Just flip up your mobile and you can listen to me anytime. Okay?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you keep a
Okay.
video for that Hindi budget means in English because I don't understand what it's saying.
Yeah, actually, some bhajans are particularly in Hindi. We can't say it in English. I can do the English version by even by listening to any of the audio. I can convert it and give it to you. But these things we are saying in Sanskrit and in Hindi. Okay. If you want, definitely yes, I can send you the English version also of this. I don't have any issues. Okay.
I'll take care of it. Don't worry. I'm Shishira's mom. I'll take care of it. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay. No, no problem, ma'am. I will also
I mean,
send
we
it.
have a lot of
Okay.
resources. I mean, we have a
Yeah.
lot of resources, so I can make. I mean, if she's interested, I'll make sure that she has all the
Yes.
English
Yes.
lyrics for all the mantras. Don't
Yes,
worry.
yes, no problem, no problem. Yes,
Okay,
I can
Shishira.
understand these kids are very small, so they are not well versed with all the mantras and shlokas. Actually, here in school, uh, these here kids are having all these things in the assembly time only. So if I say my daughter, she won't be well versed with her, with the other prayers and all. But yes, with the shlokas and mantras, she will be well versed. So I can understand it is very difficult for the kids outside India. They are not getting proper, that
I mean,
language difference is coming.
yeah, yeah. I mean, the problem is they want to, but
Yes,
because of
they
the language
can't. Yeah, no
difference,
problem. I
they
will
they
be,
can't.
I will be sending as I have chanted now. I will be sending, I will be chanting, I will be recording it, and those only I will be sending. So it will be a modulation like I told now in a very soft tone and in a very understanding tone. I will be sending it like this
Yeah,
only.
you can sing along with her. Okay, she'll send
Yes,
you video. Okay, Shishira, sit down.
yes, okay. So I hope the kids enjoyed today's session.
Yes. Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So tomorrow is our watercolor painting session. Are you more excited? to
Yes.
paint. Yes. Okay. So see you all tomorrow. Okay. Bye for now, kids. See you all tomorrow with the watercolors. I
Bye.
will be posting the material list in detail. Okay, in some
Bye.
time or might be India time tomorrow morning. Yes. Bye.
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 Bye. See you
Bye.
tomorrow, everyone.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.